Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Now we are going to discuss simple Java programs to implement the specifier or modifiers in Java. So Java supports these four access specifiers, namely private, package, protected and public. So what is private? When we are declaring a variable or method as a private, which is available only within the class. So private supports data hiding. So we can't access the members outside the class. So what is the default access specifier available in Java? Yes, package or friendly or package private. So noted down, these three are not keywords. So package or friendly or package private are not keywords. So that means this access specifier is available within the same package. So whenever we are not specifying the access specifier which is available only inside the package. So that is, it is private within the package. So that is the default access specifier in Java. What about protected? So which is accessible within the package and also subclasses in the other packages. What about public? So public is anywhere. So public members can be accessible within the same package and also inside other packages also. See this diagram so that you can easily understand this concept. So if it is private, so this is accessible only within the class. So if it is default, so this is accessible within the package. So if it is protected, so which is accessible within the same package and also subclass in other packages also. What about public? So public is wider visibility level. So which includes class, same package, other package subclasses and other package non-subclasses also. So see this example. So here forest pack consists of one class, namely animal class. So this animal class consists of two methods, namely food and sound. So now we are going to write a Java code. So the file name is animalclass.java. So here we are going to create a package, namely package keyword followed by package name. So package name may be any valid user defined name. So here package name is nothing but forest pack 1. So now inside this package we are creating this class animal class. So which is a public class. Note it down. So public class, class name, set of braces. Then inside this animal class, we are going to define our methods, namely food and sound. So note it down. Here we are using this access specifier private. So private void food. So inside this, so write system.out.println. Here we are simply displaying a message like this, food method of animal class. So similarly, void sound. So note it down. So this is a default method. So yes, what is the access specifier here? So this is default. So what is the default access specifier in Java? Yes, it is a package or friendly or it is a package private. So here we are displaying a message sound method of animal class. So now we are going to import this package inside this test.java file. So import package name dot star, else you can give instead of star animal class also. So public class, class name is test here. So that is the reason the file name is test.java. So inside test, yes, we are going to define our main method. So within this main, now we are going to create object for animal class. So here forest pack1 dot animal class. So which indicates what? So this animal class is the member of forest pack1. So now we are creating an object, namely tiger equal to new. So what is this animal class here? Yes, it is a default constructor. So now we are going to invoke food and sound method of this animal class. So see this output. So if it is a package, how can you compile this? Javac -d dot animal class dot java. So here what do you mean by -d? So which indicates what? A directory. So a directory will be created in the name of package. So here dot indicates what? Yes, current working directory. So after compiling this, a separate package will be created. So what is the name of that package? Yes, forest pack1. So which consists this animal class. Now we are going to compile our test.java file. So see this error. So food is private method. So private can't be accessed here. So which is accessible only inside the class. So now this is test is another class. So now it shows an error like this. So now what about sound? So which is a default method. So if it is default, which can be accessible only within the same package. So here also it shows an error. So can't be accessed from outside the package. So these are all the two errors when we are using a private method and a default method. So what about protected method? So now take the same package. So inside this package, animal class, now we are making it as protected. So if it is protected, what will happen? So see this test. So in this test.java file, we are importing the animal class. So which is the part of this forest pack1. So here we are inheriting this animal class. So we are already familiar with this protected keyword. So if it is protected, which is available in the same package and the subclass of another package. So here whenever we are not creating any package, then Java compiler provides a unnamed package. So this is another package. So here noted down, we are not giving any package statement, but an unnamed package will be supported by Java compiler. So whenever we are using this protected keyword, we must inherit. So now test is a subclass of animal class. So inside this test, as usual, we are defining our main method. Now we are creating object for which class? Yes, test. So this is subclass, no? So test followed by object name equal to new test. So this is default constructor. Now this test is the subclass. So by using this object, now we can invoke this food and sound. So see this output. So now we can get the output food method of animal class, sound method of animal class. So last modifier, so that is public. So now inside this package forest pack1, we are going to create our public methods. So public void food and public void sound. So next inside this test class. So now we are going to invoke this food and sound. So how can you invoke? So by creating an object. Yes. So within this main method, now we are going to create object for which class? Animal class. So class name followed by object name equal to new followed by default constructor here. So t dot food and t dot sound. So see this output. So here also the output will be same as the previous code. So if it is public, so we can directly create object for the class, so which is in this package. If it is protected, we must create a subclass. Say true or false. We can define a main method inside a package. A package can have more than one public class. Classes in different packages can have the same name.